Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur, and I'm back with another video, and this video is all about my girl Zendaya. Whoa. Anyway, so this video is all about recreating Zendaya's Halloween look from a few years ago, but I decided to, like, of course, when I always do, make it my little own. So I used my own Nubian crown. I didn't want to do that round Burger King crown. Nothing wrong with that. I just wanted it to be a little smidge different. So, you know. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, go ahead and continue to watch. But first, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you're notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video. Comment down below and share this video with your friends. Let's get into the tutorial. Remember to bloom because a flower is a soul blossoming in nature. Okay, what's up? So we're gonna start with the Touch and Soul primer. Y'all can see I'm beating it up, sis. And that is my Cake Mix foundation. Well, my Beauty Bakerie foundation cake mix in the color number 13. So I'm just blending that out. This match on me is like one of my most perfect matches. This and my Fenty, perfection. Oh, and my Maybelline. Alright, so I went ahead and did my concealer. Those are my cake-based concealers from Beauty Bakerie. So I'm going to do one of my eyebrows in front of you. Y'all, this is a treat. Trick or treat. This is a treat. I never show y'all my brows. Like, never. So I'm giving y'all one. Okay, so I went ahead and did the other brow. And now I'm going to start priming my lids with my Sistar Cosmetics concealer. And I'm just going to pat that all in so it is nice and blended. And then we're going to our Blushing Berries palette from A Dose of Colors. And I'm using the color, don't get me too lying, Berry Pop. No, that's Rosemary. I'm using Rosemary. And then the second color I went ahead and used was the color Mixed Berries. And now I'm using Berry Black. And that is to smoke out the eye. In her picture, her eye was just like a nice smoky eye. So I decided to do this gradient. So now I'm going ahead and brushing off that excess powder. The powders I use with Beauty Bakerie. And of course, Pretty Vulgar, the ones I've been using lately. So this is my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. And we're just going in to add some more warmth to that face. Oh. And then I'm using my Black Radiance Blush, as you see now. And I'm going back in with that Blackberry, and I'm using it to do my under eye. Yeah. Okay, so now what I'm doing is starting the lines to do my stitching. Her stitching was like 3D elevation on another level, like I don't even know. And yeah, you know. So I'm just following all of the lines where she had them. And then I am going in with a black liner to define that a little more. And the first liner that I used, I believe, was my Brown Galaxy from Sistar Cosmetics. So now I'm doing my 3 cuts in your eyebrows, trying to wild out. I know y'all remember that song. 3 cuts in your eyebrows, trying to wild out. So now I'm doing my stitching. It's honestly just doing lines over vertically over the horizontal line. It took me a second to figure out what word that was. So once that is done, I'm going to go in with my white mixed liner, which is pretty much done. But I actually like it because I wanted it to be kind of a faded kind of white, just to pronounce it a little bit more, but not too much. So that's what you see me doing here. So now I went ahead and did my lashes, and now I'm putting on my favorite Choco liner from Sistar. We're going to rub that all over the lips and get these lips prepped for the next step. And the next step is my Beauty Bakerie Snickerdoodle lip gloss. This is my favorite lip gloss, y'all. So I'm going back in, and on one side that you can see in the photo, she has like these lightning things. I'm pretty sure it's probably on both sides, but clearly we ain't make it there. Alright, y'all, that is the final look. I went ahead and fixed everything. I added some blood and my crown and realness. No, I really, really love this look. Let me know if you like it down in the comments below. And I know, does anyone else stand Zendaya? Like, I love her. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to join that flower gang. See you guys in my next video. Mwah.